Hi, I'm Jack. I chose to study the MSc here at Manchester Metropolitan University because I was encouraged to by my own tutors. They saw something in my work that they thought could really thrive over here. I studied my undergrad in textiles over at Manchester School of Art. Come over here to Faculty of Engineering, which has been quite a leap, but really interesting to put that creative skill set into an engineering format. The facilities here have been fantastic. There's so many options open to us to solve problems, to create, which gives us a lot of freedom. The staff are fantastic. There's a proper camaraderie amongst all of the students. We all help and support each other. One thing I found really important about the course is the variety within everybody who's there. It doesn't matter if you're an engineer, a fine artist, a fashion designer, there's something you can learn here. Living and studying in Manchester so far has been really good. It's been a bit of a challenge, just balancing life and normal things with study, but I see this place as the start of my career. Prince City and the MSc has very much reinforced that for me. My plans for after graduation are to hopefully work here in the university. I've got a passion for researching and learning and finding things out from making things. Eventually I'd love to move on to doing a PhD.